Do you also own an electronic store business and looking forward to grow it and contact with all of your customers via WhatsApp, whether you are selling AC, TV or any electronic appliances? A single broadcast WhatsApp message will help you share all of your details, products and offers to all of your customers. So a single WhatsApp broadcast message created by Pabbly Chatflow can help you share all of these details. Hey guys, welcome to Pabbly. So in today's video, we are going to learn how to create broadcast WhatsApp message for your electronic store business, and that too in just 3 easy steps. In step 1, we learn how to create message template, and step 2, automatically our broadcast will be created using the templates, and in step 3, automatically our scheduled message will get sent. So now without wasting any time, let me take you to my screen and show you how it works. Welcome back to my screen, Tech Heads. Before telling you how to create a WhatsApp broadcast message for your electric store business, let me give you a quick real-time example of how it works and how you can send WhatsApp broadcast message to your predefined list of contacts through broadcast, which is perfect for announcement, promotion and timely updates. Now I'm taking you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So as you can see, this is the message which I received with the help of broadcast message. Hello demo user, that is my name. New tech just landed at Virat Electricals. Here I have some categories like smartphone, laptop and home gadgets. Also here I have 10% discount announcement and also a call to action for callers. So like this, you can also create a WhatsApp broadcast message for your electrical store business. Let me teach you how. For creating a new broadcast message, you have to go on this new tab option. Here on the search bar, you have to search pabbly.com/chatflow and enter it. Now we are directed towards this page. Here on this page, you can see this option, sign up for free. It is for new user, and as I already have my account, I'll directly sign in. Now we are directed towards this page. Here we have to scroll down, come to this Pabbly Chatflow option and click on this Access Now button. Here on the top right hand side corner, we have this Add WhatsApp number, which will help us connect our WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have 2 ways to connect it. One is WhatsApp Connect and second is Manual Token Connect. To know how to connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow, we have separate videos made. You can go out to our YouTube channel and watch them. Now coming to the left hand side of our Pabbly Chatflow dashboard, here we have some icons over here. Firstly, let me tell you what is dashboard. Dashboard where we can overall view statistics, manage WhatsApp number and access folder. Secondly, we have inbox. Here we can see and respond to WhatsApp messages from user in real time. Third one is contact. Here we can manage our contact list and view detailed profile. Fourth one is team queues. Here we can assign chats to specific team members and manage support queues. Fifth one is templates. Here we can create and manage message templates approved by WhatsApp. Here on 6th number, we have broadcast message where we can send bulk WhatsApp message to multiple contacts using template. We'll be using this today. Now on 7th number, we have flows. Here we can build and automate chatbots flows for WhatsApp conversation. On 8th number, we have AI assistant. Here we use AI tools to enhance customer response and automate reply. On 9th number, we have activity logs where we can view logs of all our recent activities and system operation. On 10th, we have settings. Here we can configure account, business profile and integrate settings. On 11th, we have get help option where we can access support, resources, tutorial and customer assistant. Now let me teach you how to create a broadcast message. So for that, firstly, we have to go on this broadcast option. Here on the top right hand side corner, you can see this button, add broadcast. So here we have to click. Now we are directed towards our WhatsApp broadcast page. Here we have this option for select broadcast type, broadcast name, also select the contact. Now let me tell you how to create a broadcast message from here. As I before told you, broadcast message are perfect for announcement, promotion and timely updates. So firstly, for selecting a broadcast type, I'll select broadcast campaign. Here in the broadcast name, I'll give it broadcast message for electronic store. Here in the contact list, I'll select all unassigned contact. Here you can select as many contacts as you wish to from this option. Now coming to the select message type, here we have 2 options, pre-approved template message and second one is regular message. So this time I'll move forward and create my broadcast message with pre-approved template message. Here we have to select the first option and select the WhatsApp template like this. So I'll go with my this template which I have already created and click on this done button. So like this, as you can see, I have successfully selected my template. Now to know how to create a WhatsApp template, let me teach you a step-by-step process how you can create it. For creating a new template, here from our dashboard, you have to go on this template option, click on this template list and here on the top right hand side corner, you can see this add template button. You have to click on on this. Now I'm directed towards this new template page where I'll create my new templates. Here we can easily create new templates to suit my requirements, enabling streamlined and consistent communication with my all of the audience. Here on the first option we have select template category, so I'll choose it as marketing. Now for the template name, I'll give it as electronic store. You have to remember that you have to write all these alphabet in small letters. Also, you don't have to leave space in between. For space, you have to do this underscore over here. So like this, I have given a template name to my template. Now coming to the language requirement. Here I'll go with English UK language, which we follow, and click like this. Here we have text, image, video, document, location, carousel, and also limited time offer. So I'll move forward with the text option over here. Here we have header option. That is optional. If you want, we can write it. If you don't want, we can move forward and create a template as well. But before creating a template, we also have a footer option. Here we can write a footer which is suitable for our template. Now let me write my format over here for my template. Now here, as you can see, I have pasted my format template message over here. For making this template more dynamic, here we have to use this curly brackets over here and give the number like 1, 2, 3 for our every dynamic field. Like for example, I have already given this curly bracket the example of name value over here. And also to make our text bold, here we have to use this asterisk sign to make our text bold like this. Now moving forward, here we have some more options like call to action, quick reply, all, and none. So I want to add a quick reply over here for call us option, and like this I have successfully added it. Also we have an option to add more quick replies over here. Now my template is created, so I'll simply submit it, and like this I have successfully created my template over here. Now I'll directly take you back to my broadcast message. Now here, as you can see, everything is on point and my template message is here on my broadcast message. Now here I have an option for writing a username. So I have written my name, demo user. Here I have to add my phone number. So like this I have added a phone number. Now here on the last option we have schedule broadcast option. Here we can schedule our broadcast message for later. Automatically our message will schedule for later time. And if no, send instantly. Automatically our WhatsApp broadcast message will send instantly to the number which I mentioned over here. So I want to send it instantly. So I'll just click on this no send instantly option over here and send test message like this. As you can see, test broadcast sent. Now I'll again take you to my WhatsApp and show you how it works. So as you can see, I again received this message as I showed you before. So if you also own an electrical store business, you can create this broadcast message and connect with all of your customers at once. I hope this video was informative for you. To connect with us, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. For more questions and queries, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com, and for more pricing related details, you can visit the website mentioned over here. Also, Pabbly Chatflow comes with some free plans, so you can create multiple chatbots for your different businesses. So what are you waiting for? Go try it today.